Teaching STEAM with multimedia and experiential activities.
STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics.
How to introduce STEAM to children through the multimedia and experiential activities. The following are some examples. An example from Level 1.
My 5 senses. Children will first be introduced to the topic through multimedia lessons and activities.
I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears.
These are followed by the art project and the experiential activity, where children put together a set of facial features on a face template and through a sensory experience, develop an awareness of their 5 senses. After each experiment or experiential activity is completed, the teacher will review the activity together with children by guiding them to record and share their findings. This activity will reflect the children's understanding of the topic.
An example from Level 2. In Colors of the Rainbow, children learn how the rainbow is formed.
Do you know that the rainbow comes from sunlight? Although sunlight looks like white light, there are actually different colors hiding in it.
And learn to identify the colors of the rainbow. These are followed by a color mixing project, where children get to observe what happens when the colors are mixed. Through the experiential activity, children observe that white light actually consists of many colors. These colors can be seen in the form of rainbow, when sunlight passes through raindrops in the sky. An example from Level 3.
Insects and creepy crawlies. In this topic, children will be introduced to the insect life cycle.
Life cycle of a butterfly. What a beautiful butterfly! Do you know that the butterfly is born as a caterpillar?
And learn about their habitats through the interactive activities. They will then be involved in an art project, creating an illustration of life cycle of insects. As part of the experiential activity, children learn to identify different insects through a discovery of the various insects in the garden.
An example from Level 4.
Machines and robots. This topic introduces children to technology and engineering. First, through the multimedia lesson and the interactive activity.
Heavy equipment. Click the machinery to learn their names and uses. Bulldozer.
In art project and hands-on experiment, children make their own craft robot, then build a cardboard crane and use it to experiment with the pulley system. Through a combination of these activities, children develop an appreciation of how these machines and robots can be used.
An example from Level 5.
In cars and transportation, children learn to appreciate the science behind these inventions. Children will first be introduced to the various parts of a car.
Parts of a car. Wheels.
Then children learn to identify the various modes of transportation through the multimedia activity and through creation of a display of land, sea, and air transportation. For hands-on experiment, children will build a car using a recycled tissue box. Then use different shapes of wheels to try rolling the car along.
An example from Level 6.
In our solar system, children will discover the solar system through the multimedia lesson.
Earth. The core of Earth is mostly iron.
And through interactive activities.
Planets in orbit. Put the sun and planets in the correct positions in the solar system.
Sun, Earth.
Through the art project and hands-on experiment, children develop a deeper understanding of the sun and planets of the solar system and the conditions needed for life to exist on a planet. What you have learned. Each STEAM topic is taught using a combination of multimedia lessons and activities, creative art projects, as well as hands-on experiments or experiential activities.